Hi everyone, welcome to the Gold Coast Garden Channel. I am here with my sister Janice.
And we haven't seen each other in a whole year.
We haven't seen each other in a whole year. I am in my hometown and I'm having a beautiful day. Yep. The weather is so beautiful.
It really is.
So we were just talking about her beautiful home here, and tell us, Janice.
Okay.
What is the name of the neighborhood?
Okay. Well, the name of this neighborhood is called the Walnut Historical District. And I've been living in this district for about 21 years. You know, if you remember this, we used to trick-or-treat this house.
Yes, we did.
It intrigued me so much that I said, I just want to take a tour. And it was on the market, it was for sale. And I went through the house with my realtor and just fell in love with all the woodwork and this area.
Of course.
And I said, you know what? I think this is going to be my home. Had a dream and dreamed about it 3 days in a row. I said, I definitely have to buy this.
All right.
Even if I don't live here that long.
Yeah.
But I just fell in love and just love this area.
Is this like downtown?
It's downtown.
Right here, right? And we used to come walk as little girls
and trick or treat.
Walk downtown and we trick or treat at these houses. And this is one of the most beautiful Victorian houses I've seen in this area. What kind of Victorian is it?
It is called the Queen Anne.
The Queen Anne style. Oh yeah, so sweet. I love it.
And actually, it's 3 stories.
3 stories. Okay.
A lot of different woodwork, but we'll give you a tour next time you're here.
Okay, we're looking forward to that.
Yep,
we really are.
Good.
Looking so today we're pretty much just going to check out your beautiful landscape here, and you can kind of give us a little.
I can't take all the credit for it
information
because our grandmother came over here, and she's the one that started me with the hospice.
Okay, well.
And so 5 o'clock in the morning, she came over.
Okay.
She said, we're going to start early in the morning. I said, okay, but I didn't know it was going to be quite that early. But I hung in there with her. And she came over here with boxes and boxes of hospice.
Wow.
And so
I love the way that you line your outside garden
my flower beds.
And let me show you. These hospices are just like thriving. They're just beautiful. I just love them. You got different variations going on here, and I like the chartreuse and the mix with the light and dark mix, and that really makes a statement. And these trees are just like really. And whoa, okay, this is a walnut we're under. Okay, yeah, it's looking familiar now. The leaves. And then also, what about this tree right here?
It's called the catalpa.
It's called what?
Catalpa tree.
Catalpa tree.
It has big white blooms on it.
Oh yeah.
And then they turn into these sea pods.
That's right. That is right. I've seen it in bloom before. They're huge.
They are.
And they smell so good.
Oh, it does.
And then look at the hospices here. You got hospices lining around the tree. That makes it so clean and so elegant. It says a lot. Every year. It's a perennial, of course. Yes. Well, you want to start out here? Let's just walk down here and you can tell us what we got going on over here. Okay, this is the peonies garden.
These are the young ones.
Okay.
And then these are old.
They've been there a while. Okay. Now they're about to bloom. Look at those buds on there. Ooh, I know they're going to be beautiful.
They are a perennial.
What color are these?
This is a deep maroon.
Oh.
And then I also have this one. Blooms, it'll have pink.
Oh, okay.
And this one also has big pink and maroon.
Oh, I see this one getting ready to pop out there any minute. I like the way you got this going. I mean, it's like has such curb appeal. Okay. HGTV here. Curb appeal. And then this must be a neighborhood thing. where I see in the historic district here, in front of the
flowers in front of the houses.
They do the garden.
Yes, they do.
I love this idea. Look at this. And this beautiful church over here. This is First Presbyterian. Okay. And it has a bell tower.
Yes, it does. It wakes you up on time.
All right.
Nice.
Nice.
8 o'clock.
And you knew.
7 o'clock.
How about that?
Yeah.
Oh wow! Look at this. This is just gorgeous. And your neighbor's yard. Yeah. She has her garden going. She continued hers. How nice! Those irises are just beautiful.
Thank you.
I
would like to get some different color ones.
Sure.
These are quite old, and I transferred them from grandmother.
Okay.
Rosetta's garden.
Grandmother, yes.
Rosetta's garden. And then I used to just have right there.
Right.
So I transferred them and started moving them down a little bit.
Right. Yeah. You did a good job here. I mean, you know.
Right here too.
Oh, look at that.
It's called
lamb's ear.
It's so soft.
Oh my goodness. Oh. You know, I've never had a lamb's ear before. Never.
I have to dig you up something so you can take it back with you.
Does it bloom?
Yes.
It does?
It has little bitty white flowers on it.
Oh,
yeah.
Nice.
Just green.
They look very healthy and rambunctious. Oh, they feel so good. That is so pretty. I see the lilies. They're coming up. And I love the different variations of the irises. You got the purple, maroon, and lavender going on over there. And this was like a rose bush. All right.
Doing pretty good right now.
Nice.
I'm going to move it back over where my husband planted the rose bush.
And that's the thing with gardening. If you don't like where it is, you can always replace it somewhere else. You know.
It's doing very well.
Yes, it is. It's got buds on it too. I see the little red buds. So we got more lilies, and this is a type of lily too. Yes. Is that, what color is that when it blooms?
Orange.
Oh, okay. We have lots of the orange lilies at our house.
Well, maybe when you come
too.
Back, you'll see. I'll make sure you'll see the lilies in bloom.
Sure. Because right, you know, they bloom in different stages. You get your irises, and then you get your, and very nice. I'm really liking it.
Thank you.
So, does that street sign? It says Walnut. That's right. This is Walnut Street. Yes, and that's another beautiful church. Faith Temple. We once belonged to this church.
Yes.
And it is historical. Look at that clock tower up there, JR. Look at way up there at the very top. This is historical church as well.
It is.
Very nice. Very nice. And your neighbor's house is beautiful too.
Yes.
I just love the open porches.
Oh, I know.
It's nothing like having a porch, isn't it? Your porch is elegant. I love the way that you have your porch design. We'll get to your porch here in a minute. I just kind of want to look around and get the feel, because it has that elegant, that very nice feel to it. Let's go around here and take a little walk through here. I see she has beautiful lilies as well. Oh, that's a beautiful color. I love that. Oh, and her flower urns are so pretty. Nice. Okay, well, we can go. We got a little baby rabbit. We'll go this way. We'll come back around, because also you have your hostas lining your garden here on the side as well. I really like that look.
Thank you.
Actually,
it's a Victorian plant.
Okay.
A landscape.
All right.
Put the greenery on the out, and then you put your flowers in the middle. You know,
wow. Very nice. Oh, that is such a pretty. Those are. I'm trying to think of the thing. Cannas. That's a canna, and that's a yellow. Oh, a yellow canna. That is just gorgeous. I love that yellow canna. It matches your house. More lilies. Very nice. There's a yellow iris. It's beautiful. This is so elegantly done. I like that idea. That's very nice. Very nice. Okay. Well, let's go to the front so we can, because you know, over the years I look forward to coming to your house because you have always had some of the most beautiful planters. And you do have a talent for it, and I really admire that. And I'm looking at the first thing I seen when I pulled up to the house. Look at these planters. They're so whimsical and they're colorful. Colorful. We got Max here. This is her. Yeah, Bijan. That's right.
Not a puppy anymore, but you'll always be my puppy.
You'll always be your baby. This is enough. Yeah. I just love
the filler,
the thriller, and then you have the filler, and in this filler, I'm seeing petunias, and I'm seeing is these super bells?
Yes,
super bells. I'm seeing wave petunias as well, and these over here, I'm not sure, begonias. Oh, begonias. That's just such a great combination, and the color combination. I've never seen. It's very bright and very cheerful, and I like that. And then you have some coleus stuck in here, and what are these? Orange. What are those? Do you know? Or they almost remind me. Is that a petunia? Oh, begonia. Oh, I see it now. Look at the leaf. Okay, that's a begonia. Oh, that is vibrant orange. That is so pretty. And look over here. This is so, oh, there she is. This is so elegant. These are just, I think these are just really beautiful. The way they come over.
The older they get,
they older. It's fuller and fuller. Very nice. It looks like more begonias here in the bag.
It's a bag.
What a nice idea to hang it there. That's such a good idea. I just love the way you do your planters. I've been looking forward to this, and I'm just thrilled to see everything. I love that. And then I love the way your hanging baskets are so vibrant. This is so pretty. I recognize this is Creepin' Jenny. Creepin' Jenny.
Yes.
And these look like what are those? I have some in my house.
Those are impatient.
Impatient.
They're large.
Oh, they are. They almost look like pansies, but they're not. Okay, impatient.
Come in all different bright colors.
Okay, I love that. I love the way that, you know, they really complement each other.
Yeah.
They really do. And then over here, I can't take my eyes off of this one. This one is just it's red. Now this is so pretty.
Begonias.
Oh, those are
begonias. Those are begonias.
Oh, that's a different I see. Yeah. Wow, and that's begonias too. Yellow and orange combination, huh? That is elegant. I just love it.
Now this plant is very, very it's a wandering Jew.
A wandering Jew. I recognized it.
I just brought it down.
Okay, so you had her in the house during the winter long. Oh, look at that. Okay, you have something else in here. Okay, oh, let me get back so we can get the picture. You have another plant in there too with that wandering Jew. Wow. That is really neat. And we know what that is down below.
Different varieties.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yellow. Red. It has a lot of bloom. That's the hibiscus. It has a lot of blooms.
Okay.
But they haven't opened yet.
Wow. And then you have some more annuals here that you're probably gonna.
Now these are going to go over every one in our district.
Neighborhood?
In our neighborhood has a corner. And I adopted the East 4th Street corner.
Oh, you adopted the...
yes, and I will be moving some plants over there.
That is so neat.
And
is it the corner?
That corner right there.
Okay. Oh, right out here. Oh, wow. That's nice.
Thank you.
So everybody does that, huh?
Yes, everybody has a corner. So my neighbor and I are going to share this corner.
Okay.
I like to do that.
Oh,
Yeah, so it'll look
nice.
nice by the time.
Nice.
Yeah, probably in June it'll start.
And this young lady right here is my sister-in-law. I haven't seen in a long time.
Yeah.
Her name is Margaret. I can't wait to get over Margarita. My sweetie.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Oh, bless your heart. You know I love you. I miss you. So good to see you. So good to see you. Yes. Yeah. My brother-in-law, Christopher. Yes. Yes.
I know it.
So yes, I am really enjoying my vacation. My mini vacation home. So yeah, thank you. Thank you so much, JR. Really appreciate it. So, and we will see you in the next video. Aloha. And don't forget to subscribe. Okay. We will see you in the next video. Aloha.